Chery has officially launched the iCar Super V23, available in 5 trims priced between 122,800 and 174,800 yuan, around 17,300 to 24,600 USD. As the latest addition to the iCar V23 lineup, this pure electric compact SUV comes with upgraded electric motors and offers a maximum driving range of up to 550 kilometers. Notably, the iCar Super V23 holds a Guinness World Record for the fastest climb of a sand dune over 400 meters by a mass-produced EV, completing the ascent in just 2 minutes and 38.34 seconds. Buyers can choose from 9 exterior colors: purple, yellow, orange, silver, white, black, gray, blue, and green. The design retains the retro, boxy style of the standard iCar V23, but adds exclusive red S badges on the front grille, front fenders, and lower left corner of the tailgate. It also features semi-hidden door handles and 21-inch 5-spoke wheels with two 65/45 R21 tires. The iCar Super V23 keeps its familiar proportions, measuring 4,220 millimeters long, 1,915 millimeters wide, and 1,845 millimeters tall, with a wheelbase of 2,735 millimeters. Depending on the trim, the curb weight ranges from 1,735 to 1,960 kilograms. The iCar Super V23 offers an approach angle of 42 or 43 degrees and a departure angle of 40 or 41 degrees, depending on the trim, while its maximum weighting depth is rated at 600 millimeters. Inside, the iCar Super V23 keeps the familiar setup with an 8.88-inch LCD instrument cluster and a 15.4-inch 2.5K central control screen powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8155 chip. All trims come with CarPlay, iCar, and CarLink connectivity. To set it apart from the standard iCar V23, it features unique touches such as a red ring, red S badge, and a boost button on the steering wheel that enhances power output. The SUV is also equipped with 22 sensors, including 12 ultrasonic radars, 5 millimeter wave radars, and 5 cameras, working with the Falcon 500 Advanced Driver Assistance System to deliver more than 23 intelligent driving functions. The iCar Super V23 is offered in 2 powertrain choices: rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive, both capable of reaching a top speed of 170 kilometers per hour. The rear-wheel drive model uses a 185 kilowatt motor delivering 300 newton-meters of torque, paired with either a 59.93 or 80.16 kilowatt-hour CATL lithium iron phosphate battery, providing ranges of up to 401 or 550 kilometers on the CLTC cycle. The all-wheel drive version adds a 150 kilowatt front motor, boosting total output to 335 kilowatts or 449 horsepower with 490 newton-meters of torque. This setup enables a 0 to 100 sprint in just 4.5 seconds, while the 80.16 kilowatt-hour battery supports a driving range of up to 501 kilometers on the CLTC cycle. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.